Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we need to talk about extreme start points or endpoints, infinity pointers. So I was going back and I was getting ready for the next couple videos, and I realized that we have not touched on this. So this is an important feature in Python. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, but I'm sure you've had where you start with a starting point and you're guessing, you're like, I just need to come up with a really large number. Well, we don't have to guess and think. In Python, there is actually a way to identify large and small numbers. And this is how you will notate. So low, negative infinity, and it's literally a string minus inf close, and a max for a high is the same thing, just float string infinity. And let's put these into memory. And as we are right here, we have low, negative infinity, high, infinity. So when you're walking through and you're creating your algorithm for your starting point, and I want to think of the most extreme max that it can be, and I want to make sure that my algorithm catches it, this is going to be the way you're going to want to do it. You're going to set your 2 pointers, your infinity starting points, as negative if need be, if you're checking for greater than, because I remember when I was first getting started, I would start it at 0 and then I'd do like 10 million. But you don't know what that data set is going to look like. So you're becoming a much more sophisticated programmer, and you need to know the best practice. So the best practice for your extreme starting points is negative infinity and infinity. So there we go. I cannot believe that we have not done this before. So sorry that it's not out there for the subscribers. And if you are just finding this channel for the first time, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't seen down below, there is a Discord community that is on the rise. Wonderful community. It's global. Everybody, there's somebody on all the time to answer a question. We have an awesome mod and a awesome admin. So there we go, guys. Real quick video today. Wanted this to be a standalone video to make sure that, for searchable reasons, for anybody trying to find out why their program may be crashing or their algorithm is giving them a headache and they need a better start points. So set them to infinity, negative and positive infinity. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.